Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Tuesday the 10th of September, out at Yate. Junk really, well certainly this one is. Talk about that one first. Paid over the odds for it, paid £3, I actually thought that was a 2, but it was a 3. You probably know I have a soft spot for solar powered robots, done quite a few kits. I don't think I've done this particular one. I have done one fairly recently that does this wire walking, whatever you want to call it, goes along a line. And then you've got the walking robot and the wheeled robot. I did peek inside. Somebody has already done that one. We're not having much sun at the moment, so we probably won't be demonstrating that outdoors. It would be nice to run it outdoors. I could just switch on the halogen light. All right, just switch that one on. Yeah, arms move. So obviously I won't be doing a build video to put the gearbox together. And I should imagine all we do is swap those bits for legs for the walking robot and put wheels on the side for that fella. Yeah, £2, that would have been all right. £3, yeah, it's still cheaper than it would have been brand new, but I don't like to spend that much money on them. It looks like there's still the wheels there and still the walking legs there. So we can probably finish it off, do all three. I'll see if I can rig up a line to do the walking bit, and then we'll do the conversion to that in a separate video, not today. I was rather pleased. I do like these, the ones that go on the line. Check the video description. There'll be a link to my solar robots playlists. There's quite a few of them. Like I say, I have a soft spot for solar and solar robots. And then this, clearly Meccano or Meccano clone. I think it probably is Meccano. This is definitely Meccano, the bit that's strapped to the top of it. £2, which I was quite happy with. Parts missing. Yeah, there'll be lots of parts missing. What caught my eye was obviously the fact that it got a transmitter with it. But there is no receiver. There's no motor on there and no receiver on there. I'm not even sure that that is Meccano. That looks like something else to me. One of those Meccano clones. Having said that, and if we put a extra nut and bolt on there to reconnect the steering, then that one does actually have working steering of sorts. But I should just add that to my collection of Meccano. I've got a fair bit that I use for odds and ends when you need to make something. And as I've mentioned a few times in the past, if I see a controller on its own, I try and buy it, because usually when you buy stuff in charity shops, the thing that's missing is the controller. So whether it's specifically for Meccano or anything else, I mean, it's 27 megahertz. It will probably work on other 27 megahertz cars. Looks like that's got a couple of extra features there, light and sound. I think that's to make the horn blow or something on ones that have that extra function. Yeah, I think that was worth £2 on its own. Then we got a few more Lego bits. Got the Allen key there and the ordinary spanner and a few bits, and the instructions for whatever kit it came out of. Yeah. So that is what that's come from. Nothing to do with that. I did have a radio-controlled Meccano kit that I bought ready assembled. So check the video description. There'll be a link to my Meccano and Meccano clones playlist. Yeah, not a bad little haul. Just to check this 27 megahertz transmitter, this is a 27 megahertz receiver in here, which I can check with this 27 megahertz transmitter. So it works with this one, but it doesn't respond to this one. So I'm guessing Meccano have got their own version of 27 megahertz. Either that or the battery in there, even though the light's coming on, isn't giving it enough power. But it wouldn't surprise me if Meccano have gone for something a little bit off the beaten track so it doesn't match everybody else's. Possibly, maybe. Which means that's handy, because if I ever get a Meccano kit that doesn't have a transmitter, I know that I've got a transmitter available.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.